Hey guys, so today I will show you how to replace your crankcase filter on a 6.7 liter Cummins diesel engine. This is pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You can do it, definitely you can do it yourself. You have 6 bolts tall, 3 on each side. There are 8mm bolts. Then you're going to take them out. I already undo those. This one actually it's stripped. There's a hose on the side here. You don't have to take that off, because you can just take the cover and put it on the side, but I'll be taking the cover off so I can clean it. And then you're gonna take your oil cap off, and you can use a paper towel to put it in there so you don't drop anything in there or nothing gets in there, any debris. So you're just gonna lift up the cover, take the cover off, and here's your filter. It's just sitting in there, so you're just gonna pull it out. I'm gonna clean this all around here, and then I'm gonna install the new filter. And as you can see, it's a little oil in there, not much, but there's like I guess the oil was in here, and all the debris and stuff got stuck to it, so I'm gonna try to clean it as best I can and then put a new filter in. So I got the old filter and new filter here side by side, and I'll try to show you. You can see the filter part over here, how dark is it? It's just, you know, the oil soaks into it, and it gets a little bit dirty. This probably has around 100,000 miles on it. And this is the new filter, and you can see how clean it is. I'm not sure how often you're supposed to replace those, but since they only like $50–$60 on Amazon, and this is actually a Fleet Guard brand. It has a Cummins logo, made in USA. So I think this is same as a OEM filter. I would say replace them every 40–50,000 miles, and you should be fine. So I'm going to clean the valve cover, the cover, and then install the filter. And I said earlier that there's 3 bolts on each side, and actually there is 4. I didn't realize that this cover has 2 broken tabs in the front, so those 2 bolts were missing. So you're gonna have 8 bolts total. It's 4 on each side. So yeah, so just make sure that you get all the bolts out. This comes out really easy, so if you feel anything that's holding it, that means that you probably have the bolt still holding it somewhere. So make sure you don't break the cover like somebody broke this one. Alright, so I got this all cleaned up. Also, there's a gasket around here. I replaced that as well. And when you decide to clean this, there's those 2 holes over here. Make sure you put a paper towel or something in there so you don't put any dirt or debris in there. So you're gonna put the new filter in. It's gonna go like this. Press it down. Now you're gonna put the cover back on. Alright, then you're just gonna put your bolts back in, and don't forget about this hose that goes on the side here. And it's just a squeeze clamp, so you're gonna need to use some pliers or something to put it back in. But that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Definitely you can do it yourself. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.